Letitia, my documents were taken by the FBI, they laid them on the floor. And they took a picture for the public press to use to try to turn the public against President Trump. This freaked out the so-called legal analyst we all got excited about that we didn't have a picture. Please see the covers of one of the documents Joe Biden is carrying at various locations. We have nothing yet, so there is a PR campaign against your client President Trump, and yet there is more. Circling of the wagons here. A type of Praetorian Guard adjusts his Praetorian Guard in media for the Bible. Fox News and Trump. Fox News and Trump. Trump voluntarily dismisses lawsuit again. Fox News and Trump. That's what you're talking about. Yes, you're right on that. I mean the picture that has seen more mileage than any other picture in recent history attached to the response to the motion filed by the government when we trying desperately to get some minor intervention from the court so that these people can be checked to make sure that they have not violated the president's constitution. National rights with a criminal investigation of a non-crime, so they literally produce these documents. Fox News and Trump. Read next. Hillary Clinton supporters goad Trump after judge fines him $1 and put them in a motion hearing, and it had only one purpose, and that was to feed your friends in the mainstream media like a charm. Since you mentioned Margot, come on, P gets to see this post image like President Trump is just scattered in his office. It's all over his office. You're not enjoying yourself a bit, and it's funny, and it says that it can't be that. It's not the Justice Department that any of us knew from the past, and I've seen moments politicized. But not a sustained campaign, as we're not seeing anything here coming out of the Biden situation so far. Fox News and Trump. Trump documented the claim in November guaranteeing James manhandled her situation as a principal legal officer to foolishly harm him, his family, and his organizations. Trump claimed James was seeking a persistent, poisonous, public, and proud campaign against him, with the expressed objective of obliterating him by and by, monetarily and strategically. James, a liberal, has been examining Fox News and Trump since she got to work in January 2019. James got a claim against Trump in September charging he and his organization misdirected banks and others about the worth of his resources. James guaranteed that Trump and his kids, Donald Jr., Ivanka, and Eric, as well as his partners and organizations, supposedly dedicated various demonstrations of extortion and distortion regarding budget reports. James asserted Trump swelled his total assets by billions of dollars, and said his youngsters assisted him with doing so. When Trump was president, he sued his organization many times, testing strategies on the climate, migration, schooling, medical care, and different issues. Fox News and Trump voluntarily dismisses lawsuit. Ugai.